When multiplying by 5, children can use a pattern related to multiplying by 10 and then taking half. For example, if we think about 3 times 5, children can use what they know about 3 times 10 equals 30, and then take half to know that 3 times 5 equals 15. This would work for a problem like 7 times 5. 7 times 10 is 70. Half of 70 is 35. It would work for larger values as well. 15 times 5 can be thought of as 15 times 10 equals 150, and half of 150 is 75. You could challenge yourself with a problem like 82 times 5. 82 times 10 is 820. Half of 820 is 410.